Greetings, everybody. My name is Tiffany Allen, and have you seen black smoke across Atlanta?
So, if you know, this is Berkeley Road, near Hamilton Holmes Station in Atlanta, and I'm not understanding, but there's like black smoke coming.
As the smoke and haze across Atlanta and the metro Atlanta area came from more than just local sources. Smoke drifted from the north from large wildfires burning in South Georgia. Fires in southeast Georgia, including Clinch County, sent smoke hundreds of miles into Atlanta. A drought covering 90% of the state made these fires worse and easier to spread. Smoke affected areas across metro Atlanta and Atlanta, including Midtown College Park and near Hamilton Holmes Marta Station. The haze became most noticeable around April 22, 2026, with reports of heavy smoke and poor air quality. But as you know, smoke travels far, and I was able to see the smoke and haze from the wildfires near the Hamilton Holmes Marta Station. You can reduce exposure by limiting time outdoors, keeping windows closed, using air filters, and wearing a mask if needed. I, the owner of the Neighbors Group, want to provide you all with this information because smoke from distant wildfires can travel far and affect entire cities, especially during extreme drought. As I saw firsthand near the Hamilton Holmes Marta Station, and it really put things into perspective seeing the black smoke that I saw. The Atlanta area experienced heavy haze, reduced air quality, and visible smoke during the spring 2026 Georgia wildfires caused by drought. Smoke traveled hundreds of miles and still reached the city. Stay aware and check air quality updates when conditions change. Thank you.